Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw smart home routines from IFTTT services step by step clearly. To withdraw smart home routines from IFTTT services, start by opening the IFTTT application on your device. Log into your IFTTT account if you aren't already. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. In the menu, find and select My Applets. Here, you will see a list of all the applets you have created or connected. Identify the applet that corresponds to the smart home routine you wish to withdraw. Tap on the applet to open its settings and details. Within the applet settings, look for the option that says Delete or Turn Off. If you choose to delete, confirm your choice by tapping on Yes or Delete when prompted. Alternatively, if you want to keep the applet but temporarily disable it, select Turn Off. After withdrawing the routine, you can make sure to check if any devices are still connected to your smart home services to ensure they are functioning properly. If you want to remove any remaining connections, go to the Services tab in the menu. Here, you can manage all services linked to your IFTTT account. Select the smart home service you want to adjust. You will find options to disconnect or remove any remaining routines. After making your adjustments, exit back to the main menu. Finally, double-check your smart home setup to ensure everything is working as desired. You have now successfully withdrawn your smart home routines from IFTTT services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.